Little birdie, do you want to get a new home, bird? Do you want to get a new home, bird? Can you make some noise? Quack, quack, quack. Squawk, squawk. Do something. I'm going to come in and visit you. I'm coming in the cage. Here it comes. It's coming. Bird, let's talk about this. You want a new home, bird? Yes, I want a new home. Ooh la la, eat it. Talk to it. Say, I want to go to a new home. Bird. This bird is for sale. You can take it. I'll put it in a Ziploc bag and mail it to you. Come here, Squawker. That bird ain't worth anything.